Moving on to question number 19. In an area where DDT is insecticide, dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane, had been used extensively, the population of bird declined significantly because, already I explained this. Bird stopped laying egg, no. Earthworm in the area got eradicated, no. Cobras were feeding exclusively on bird, no. Many of the bird egg laid did not hatch, yes. I told you something related to calcium metabolism. This is the answer. 20th. Which one of the following is a wrong statement? Which one is wrong? Most of the forests have been lost in tropical areas. Ozone in upper part of atmosphere is harmful to animals. This itself is wrong. It is not harmful, it is helpful. It filters the ultraviolet radiation. 21st. Measuring biochemical oxygen demand is a method used for, see, BOD, biochemical oxygen demand is the amount of oxygen required to decompose all the organic matter present in 1 liter of water. Okay, so this BOD will tell us the amount of organic matter present in the water, thereby its pollution level. Estimating the amount of organic matter in sewage water. See, first itself is answer. Estimating the amount of organic matter in sewage water. I need not read the remaining. 22nd. Eutrophication is often seen in. We know that eutrophication is seen in freshwater lake, desert, ocean, mountain, freshwater lake. 23rd. Which one of the following pair of gases is the major cause of greenhouse effect? Dear students, already I explained you. It is carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide. Moving on to question number 24. Which one of the following statement is incorrect in case of Bhopal tragedy? Which is not correct? Let us see. Methyl isocyanate gas leakage took place. It is correct. Thousands of human beings died. That is also correct. It took place in night of December, 2nd and 3rd night in 1980. That is also correct. Radioactive fallout engulfed. No radioactive fallout that day. Okay, it was the poisonous gas methyl isocyanate. So C. So this is incorrect. Last one, 25th. Which one of the following is correct expanded form of the acronym? IPCC, International Panel for Climate Change. UNEP, United Nations Environmental Policy. EPA, Environmental Pollution Agency. IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature. This is correct, dear student. International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources. This is the organization which publishes red list or red data book of endangered species. So D is the correct answer.